Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alpha. We are continuing with our application for iChat. So this iChat is the application for chatting. So now you are in episode 2. We want to fetch the user information. So I've got some videos showing you how to register. So you can search for them, then you register users. So after registering users, we need to retrieve those users to Fragments, to user Fragments. So now I'm starting to show you. Also, you have to connect your application to Firebase. As you see, you need to add the following items. So all these are the required items. In the future, you can use the latest version of this implementation or plugins. So now, I added a Picasso, I added a Lottie file, then texture. Also, I added a image view, a cycle image view. Also, read more text so that we can read more text. Okay, also in top here, I added a Google Services plugin. So now I'll start by designing. So we'll need to design we need to add in layout here, let's say new, then we need a resource file on which this will be user list so that we store all users. So we'll say user list. Okay, here we need to change this to card view. And this card view, we need the margin of 5. Inside here, we'll need a liner layout. We need orientation to be horizontal. Okay, so inside this we need a cycle image. So we'll code for a cycle image. Okay, so if we need any adjustment here, we'll come and adjust these ones. So now let's close this. Let's come to user fragments. Okay, here in user fragments, we need to remove this text. Then we add the we need to recycle view. Then we match parent. Then we match parent. Then we give an ID. So the ID here will be recycle view. Okay, so we are done here. Let's close this one. So now let's come to menu here. Then we need to create a new resource file folder. Sorry, a package. So this package will need to write models and utils. Okay, so then we press enter. Then we need to use our utils here, on which we create a new class. Then we write as users. Okay, inside here, this users, we write a string. Like this. Now I'll press Alt and insert. Okay, so I'll shift. Then now I need getters and inserters. So getters and inserters. Then I'll press shift, then my mouse to the last. Okay. So here we are done. If we need to add more, we'll come and add here some items. Then now we need to add a new class, which this is it's a user adapter. So it's for users. So it's a users adapter. Then we press enter. Okay, so now we need to extend. Then we need to recycle. View dot adapter. Then this is a user. Sorry. Then we need a user adapter. We need a view model. So view holder. Okay, so now I'll implement all of this. We need all of this. Also, we need to create a class holder, as you see it's now. Then we'll also need to make extend. As you see, we extended our view holder. Then we need to implement. Then we create a constructor. Okay, so now it's fine. So I will start by here. So I need to text view. So we have username. We also have a time. We also have a profile. Okay, so for now I will end here. Then at the bottom inside here we need to initialize this. So we'll say username equals to view. Okay, so now we are done here. If you are getting any error, we'll come and fix the error. So now what we need to do, we need to run the project. Also, I created a registration. So if you don't know how to create this registration, I have a lot of videos. You can use my application. If you download the application for Academy, so then you can look for registration. You will find lot of videos about how to create different registration. So once you create the registration, then I edit my data reference is stored in this all users. So now let's try to run the project. Once the project is running well, then on the next video we'll add the profile pictures so that we can request the users profiles, so that we can retrieve the user profiles. So now let's try to run the project. So after installation, after running the project, I found an error. So this error, if I come to run here, okay, so as you see, this is the error, which means I made a problem. So it can cast the image into a text view. So if I click here, then it comes here to this profile image, on which I made a mistake here. So I need to add remember, you are using a cycle view, so we'll need a cycle image here. Cycle image view. Then we use this profile. Okay, then we paste here. Then we close. So now let's try to run again the project. To check my settings, but I retrieved the message, I retrieved the user. So I come to my list here. Also in this list here, we need to change this card view, I think so. So now we forgot to wrap the content, so that will display only, with display a nice card view. Okay, so as you see, it's now like this. Okay, so after fixing this, the problem will be fixed. Also, we need to remove this sign of message, so that it will blank. Also this side we need to remove this. Also we remove the username. Also we need to fix if you are getting data here, we are getting a single data because we are calling this user. Also we check if the user then we get the UID. So it means we get the data if this UID is for this logged in user. So we want to get all users. So we need to get all data. So we can so we need to, I don't want to cancel this, but I'll just highlight it. Okay, so I'll copy this list to add user, then I'll paste it here on top here. Okay, so now we'll get the data, all users. So thank you for watching. If you are new to this channel, please also subscribe, also share my videos, also download the application. It's called the DevSelfTech, so that you can learn more. I will provide the link on the description. Goodbye.